Guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. And today on the channel, for that guy right there, there is something sitting on the table. And we're going to open that up right now and take a look. Guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you know, we have this beautiful 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid sitting under the cover in the garage here. And today, right here, right now, we have something for it, which is actually going to improve the look 1,000,000,000%. And let's get this open with one hand. And inside we see we have the wheel cap cover kit and some sort of red thing. And this is from a company called Zhongyu. Now, I really didn't have a clue if these were actually going to match or fit. I took a chance and ordered it since it was Amazon, and I'm guessing that that is a tool to actually remove them if you have to, would be my guess. The center caps are pretty easy. Hopefully they go on and stay on. But let's get this unpackaged and take a look at putting it on the 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid. Guys, we got done installing the Tesla wheel cap cover for the Model S, and it does fit on all the other vehicles. And there you can see it finishes off the look of the Tempest wheels, but you cannot use the aero covers now with those on, so I will not be using the aero covers anymore, but the look is way better. My only complaint about this package of wheels and tires is they are higher profile tires. So the wheels look a little small in the car. It definitely could use 20s or 21s. And now let's go inside and take a look at these actually online, because there's many choices. Okay, they did give us a couple of spare caps here, and this is the removal tool that they give you for that. So I am going to go ahead and put this in a bag here, right here. Put these two caps in the bag, and then I will place this unit into the Model S Plaid in the trunk, in a compartment, where we will have them if we ever go to a wheel and tire shop, so they don't struggle trying to take off the caps. But they do give you two spare caps and a little red removal tool right there, which is pretty cool to get extras. Alright guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We are live, and you are down there, and we are in the beautiful Supercar Street Racing studio here, and we are going to be showing you now these wheel covers. So let's go, and it's actually called a wheel cap kit for the Model S Plaid. So if we go to Amazon, we go Model S wheel cap kit here, and we will see that there is a number of available options here that you guys can pick from on this wheel cap kit. Now the one that I bought matches the gunmetal almost perfectly. It might be just slightly off, but it actually looks really good on the wheel. Now when you see here, this guy right here, they're all pretty much the same, except for the fact that some of them come with black center caps and some come with gray center caps. I did order the ones with the gray center caps, and let's get that called up right now on the screen. So this is the Zhongyu, crazy cool name, right? The names on here are hilarious. This is the Zhongyu dark gray, and you guys are right there. This is the Zhongyu dark gray and silver wheel center hubcap kit, and it says it is compatible with both the Model 3, the Model S, the Model X, and you get 4 center cap hubcaps, and you get 20 lug nut covers. So they give you 2 extra actually, and they are $18, and there is a 5% coupon, and I got them literally in one day, but you can get them here, right now on same day. So make sure you go, please guys, go into any of my videos when you buy something on Amazon and click any of the links. You don't have to click the product that you want that is on my actual link. You just need to click any of my links when you buy anything from Amazon, and it will help me on the channel by generating a tiny bit of revenue, since we don't make hardly anything. So this will be linked in the description, and then once you get there, you can choose from the gray. This one has red with the red Tesla logo. That's black. And then that is matte black. Matte black looks cool on black wheels. My wheels are the 19-inch Tempest, and they are gunmetal. And then the center cap, or the lug caps here, are all black plastic, which looks absolutely great. If you want to go ahead and get black lug nuts, you can do that. You can order black lug nuts for the car if you want to do that, but these look better than the stock lug nuts, because the stock ones are keyed and they just don't look that great, and they're silver. There are other options available for this same deal. If we scroll down here, there is a crazy amount of options. This is one option that does not have the lug cover, or the lug nut covers. It just has the center caps. There are 20 or 30 different options here. This one comes with a little box. They all come with this little handy removal tool. Some of them have like chrome Tesla emblems in the middle. You saw my video that these are great. Says they give you customer support as well, so maybe if you need help with this, they will assist you. And that is basically it. There's so many different options that I would go with ones with good reviews, and you will be safe. And you're especially safe if you use the ones I bought, because they are great. They went right on with no problem. I did start using some needle nose pliers for it, but actually could have done it without. I just used the needle nose to kind of push the lug nuts in once I had them on the kind of lined up and ready to go. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. And always remember that when I edit, I usually am live streaming, so please watch the editing sessions. It's a pretty cool creative process. And we'll see you guys again real soon on Supercar Street Racing.